We're gonna go through these two carabiners, and the rigging line's gonna be going up through there, through these, hook to the top, and then it's gonna come right down through here. We'll try not to wreck those limbs. I think we can make it fit in there without breaking anything. Thanks for the extra wobble. It's good video. What's up, YouTube? I'm getting the crane in place here. It's quite a bit of a stretch, so we may end up doing some old-fashioned climbing and rigging here in order to make it an easier target for the crane. We'll see. We're gonna get it set up and see what it looks like. But nice, real nice landscape that we have to protect. This tree comes out. I'm on. A little update for the YouTubular. I'm in the top of the rigging tree, SRT, with my tie-in here, and my rigging line is down a little low because I want it to be strong later. That's the target tree. You guys can't see a thing. There's nothing but greenery around me, but we'll definitely be doing some rigging out of it at first too. Maybe when we do the top so we don't crash over here. Okay. You got a bunch of them. Long and it was the terminated one, so it was redundant. Okay, YouTube, we're getting it. I don't think it's been very long. That's how much of the top is left, if you can tell. So this is a message for the old dudes like me who have done DRT, double rope, their whole life. I'm still learning SRT, but like, check this out. Like I'm tied in over there, so I was starting to get like pulled that way really hard. The more I went up, starting to get a lot of like side pressure. It's like not super comfortable. So super easy. I just put a redirect right there, up there where I'm gonna top the tree later. And now I'm just coming straight down, and it's all super comfy for these last few limbs before I pop the top. And even when I pop the top, it's gonna be a little bit cozy, if that makes sense. You could redirect DRT too, but it'd be a pain because you'd be putting mechanical advantage on the top, because you'd just be going from there and through a block and down. So it's pretty cool. I get it.
His first redirect. Wait till he starts making them retrievable, then he'll be like, oh, this is awesome.
I get it, all you SRT nice, friendly people. I was gonna say punks. I wouldn't say that. I love those guys. Okay, bye. Get the widow on the set. We dirty harbor. Pick your mother up, pick your mother down. We could do the innuendo. We could dance and sing. Okay. Guess I don't need that one on there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here's one. This would be a good likely candidate. I got a recruit for you. That should be enough. So you got one. Hey YouTube, one thing you should always remember is when you put a sling on the branch, sometimes it feels like you're done. But you're not done until you hook it up to the actual rigging line. Don't ask me how I know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Face shield down. Internal combustion 2-cycle motor starting. Bundled and delivered. So yeah, YouTube, we got all kinds of stuff down there. We don't want to damage it, so this is a Speedline kit, and we're using it in a different way, but it's still speedy. I'll try to keep the camera still. This is my SRT line redirected from over there. It's not really under tension there. That'll give me a little bit of wobble room. And then there's the rigging line we've been using. Now it's down below me. So I'm gonna double up these. Carabiners, Speedline slings, and I'm gonna rig a small top. It's not a monster top. Safety people, don't freak out about bend radius. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Then we're gonna go through these 2 carabiners, and the rigging line's gonna be going up through there, through these, hook to the top, and then it's gonna come right down through here. We'll try not to wreck those limbs. Yeah, I think we can make it fit in there without breaking anything.
Yeah, he did such a good job running those tops on that oak the other day. When I'm watching the video, I'm like, dude, you can't even see how cool it is because it's just like, whoo. I mean, you could tell it was epic run because
Okay, so here we are. First piece of wood, just negative rigging. Just negative rigging, and then we have a line that'll take it that way when it gets a little lower. Thanks for the wobbly footage. You guys are sending me straight to Hollywood.
just put the wobble edit on that thing. Here, I'll.
Oh, that was nice and buttery. Thank you. You don't have to scare the other trees so much.
I just held mine up. Taller rope I got. Just joking. I'll do this next time. It's too heavy to hold up.
We have total control. We just also have a kind of exciting job.
Yeah.
Holding it over here is good though, Jeff, because that tree, we don't want any dents in it.
Yeah.
So it was a little bit of a ride, but we're trying to keep the dents out of that tree. Do you understand?
I want to make sure there's still decent for crane access.
Yeah, just lay one end of it, but where your foot is, Damien. And the other end pointed away. Oh yeah. That's the spot. Oh, hi.
Hey, August.
You guys are about to be real happy to have the crane.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna let go your way.
Okay. Yeah, well, I say we just put the sign here and let it tip down there.
Either way, just let it sit there.
Yeah.